Alright, so I got another video here. Bear with me, I'm actually videoing on my phone right now because I forgot my camera. So these are new rims and tires for the Dodge, the black one, 94. So they are a Hilo rim, 20 by 10, I think. I got them used. These are over half tread Mastercraft tires. Like this one, I think it's this one. This one's like brand new tread on it. They're all in really good shape, as you can see. So I'm gonna put them on the Dodge. I've wanted 20 by 12s. That's what these tires are. They're 35, 12.5, 20. So we're gonna see if they fit. The truck's just leveled, so it'll be a tight fit in the front. I know they'll fit in the back. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna have to do longer control arms to make them fit correctly. So hang in there, and I'll. All right, so we got the rims on this side. I think they look really good. So it's hard to tell, but the stance difference. The old tires don't stick out as much. And also, it'll focus. There we go. They're a lot narrower. New tires a lot wider. It's kind of funny. They look wider, but when you compare the two, hard to tell. This one only is the new tires only hang over about a half an inch or an inch, not a whole lot. But they're definitely much more stanced. And I think they look way better. Come on, focus. So I'm gonna get the other two on, pull it out, and get some good shots of it outside in the sun. All right, and there it is. Yeah, that side doesn't show very well. I think it looks nice, very clean. Makes the truck look a lot nicer because the other rims kind of sucked. The paint was flaking, the chrome was peeling through. Just didn't look real good. These ones, for being used, I mean, there's a few blemishes on them, but they look almost brand new. Tires are about 70% tread probably, so I think these will work out nice. No complaints for me, you know, for what I paid for these rims and tire setup. You know, these are Hilo rims, $1,000 set of rims. These tires are $1,300 for the set, and I paid quite a bit less than that. So this is probably the worst shape rim out of all of them. You can see those few blemishes right there, but other than that, the paint's all good. You know, hubcaps look good. I don't know, just like how they look. You know, as opposed to fitting, you know, this truck is just leveled. If you have a leveled truck with a stock front bumper, these will not fit. They barely clear this corner here, side of the tire to there. If you hit a bump, you're gonna rub. The front, if I wouldn't have made this bumper hang out as far as it does, they wouldn't clear either. They would hit right down here on the steel. Then you have to trim it. But these are 35 12 520s on a leveled truck, and it's just a 2 inch. It's not 3. So with that, the truck is almost perfectly level with a 2 inch. And with these tires, I think it looks really sharp. So thanks for watching. Oh, I do have something I want to show you. That, my friends, is an 8-inch lift kit for the first gen. So that's going to be going on there. Haven't really said much about that truck, but yeah, it's getting an 8-inch lift and 37s or 38s if I can fit them. So be a few videos coming on this pretty soon. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Alright, so it's the morning after the new rims and tires. Gonna give you a little video of this thing driving, and then kind of talk about how does it ride. I had 315 7017s on here before, BF Goodrich KO2s. I went to a 20x12 Mastercraft MXT. You know, do the 35 12 520s. Do they ride different than the 315 7017s? You know, I'm sure some people will wonder. Sorry for the sun, it's gonna be right in our eyes. So one thing I will notice, because I have driven on these a little bit, they do seem to, because of the stance, I think they're stanced out a little more and a little wider. It does want to pull to the right more. I think a lot of that has to do with where it's hitting you know, like the divots in the pavement. Like if I drive more to the left, it'll stay right where it's supposed to. This is Michigan, so we have nice worn in tire marks in our road. So but as opposed to ride quality, to be totally honest, I think these 20x12s actually are riding better than the KO2s. I don't know why, they just seem to handle bumps better. There's no weird vibrations that I was having. So I don't know. I don't think I'll ever buy BF Goodrich KO2s. They suck. The original KOs, just the original all-terrain BF Goodriches, the ones before the KO2s, were 1,000 times better. I put 30,000 miles on my KO2s, and they're nearly bald. You know, they got like a quarter tread left, maybe. Whereas the original BF Goodriches, people were putting 60, 70,000 miles on their tires, and you know, they were still in decent shape. There's no way I'm gonna get that many miles out of a KO2. It's just not even possible. They're just, the rubber compound is way too soft, and they're not even that good in the snow. I only drove a couple times in the snow, and they really weren't even that good. So no, I don't think I'll ever recommend those tires to anyone. They're not what they used to be. These new ones that I have on here. From everything that I've heard, these Mastercrafts, they are a really, really nice tire. Load rangey mud tire. So I've heard that they wear really well. I guess time will tell. So I suppose the handling and what tires ride better. I think the 20x12s are a better ride. Just me personally. But thanks for watching. I should be getting the Ford back today. Talking about the exhaust manifold. Got started on that. So